Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make an omelet fluffy. Achieving a perfectly fluffy omelet starts with the right ingredients and preparation. For a single serving, begin with 2 or 3 large eggs. A crucial step is adding a small amount of liquid. 1 tablespoon of milk or water per egg works wonders. This helps create steam during cooking, contributing to that airy texture. Whisk your eggs vigorously until they are light, frothy, and slightly pale, which usually takes about 30 seconds. The secret to a truly fluffy omelet lies in incorporating as much air as possible into your eggs. Whisking with a fork or a small whisk until the mixture is light and bubbly is key. For an extra boost of fluffiness, consider adding just a tiny pinch of baking powder to your egg mixture. It reacts with heat to create more air pockets. Ensure you're using a good quality nonstick pan, ideally 8 to 10 inches in diameter, to prevent sticking and allow for easy movement. Now, let's get cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of butter in your nonstick pan over medium-low heat until it's melted and shimmering. Pour in your whisked egg mixture, ensuring it spreads evenly across the bottom. Let the eggs set undisturbed for about 30 seconds. As the edges begin to cook, gently push them towards the center of the pan with a spatula, tilting the pan to allow uncooked egg to flow underneath. Repeat this process until most of the egg is set, but still slightly moist on top. Once your omelet is mostly set but still a little creamy on top, it's time for fillings. Add your favorite ingredients, like cheese, herbs, or cooked vegetables, to 1/2 of the omelet. Then, using your spatula, carefully fold the other half over the fillings. Gently slide your perfectly fluffy omelet onto a warm plate and serve immediately. For more cooking tips and other great deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.